Hello everybody, I got notification that the new dishwasher has arrived. The main problem with this, in fact the only problem with this, is the racks are getting quite rusty. Here and there and everywhere. Bottom one I don't think is as bad. There's a look inside. This has been a really good dishwasher and still is. Everything's going off all at once here. Well, here's the data. But this one's not going anywhere. It's going to go out to my workshop and become a parts dishwasher. I'm going to likely run the last load in it. Maybe, maybe not. Here's, I mean, you know it's good stuff because of that. It's just getting kind of dingy looking and well worn. It's a Frigidaire. Those are pretty well worn. Mechanical knob. So I'll just do like this, do a normal wash. And then I'm going to go get my decibel meter, which is on the device I'm using right now. So I'm going to go get my other device so I can film this device. Okay, here we are with my Android device. And here's my other device. See how loud that gets up to when the dishwasher starts. It's filling with water right now. Right now the only thing running is the GE refrigerator from 1987, and it's not very loud. Jumps up to say 70 decibels. About the same as this dishwasher. So that's how loud the dishwasher is as well, about 70 decibels. And so when the new dishwasher gets in here, I will compare this again and see how loud it is versus this Frigidaire. I believe this is from 2002 or 2003, maybe 2004. has come to get this thing installed. Here's the energy guide detail. I would imagine, let's see, $40 with an electric water heater, $25 with a gas water heater, so that's what we got. So yeah, I think I can afford to run this for a year. I went ahead and added a little extra insulation. There's my power, my water, drain. And also I moved the insulation pad off the old dishwasher onto this one because it didn't come with one for whatever reason. Cheapening out on every little detail. That's all I can figure. Well, I guess I'm going to give it its first test run. Go stab lock. Here it is running. I believe it's slightly louder than the old one, but still reasonable. And here it is with my other device. This detail of the control panel. Nice and simple, no nonsense, just exactly